Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. We are excited to launch a brand new course, designed exclusively for hotel professionals, Six Sigma Excellence in Hotel Operations. This course will show you how to deliver flawless guest experiences, boost efficiency, and set your property apart as a true benchmark of quality. In hospitality, every detail matters. One small delay or slip in service can ripple into guest dissatisfaction, and lead to negative reviews that last far beyond a single stay. One error can cost both reputation and revenue. Research shows negative experiences are shared twice as often as positive ones, making quality a must-have, not just a nice-to-have. And that's where Six Sigma comes in. Six Sigma is a proven system that eliminates defects, reduces errors, and makes every process stronger, smoother, and more reliable. So why Six Sigma for hotels? Because it helps you gain a competitive edge, prevent errors before they happen, streamline operations across departments, and deliver consistent excellence that keeps guests coming back. From check-in to check-out, perfection is the promise. With Six Sigma, you'll learn how to cut wait times, maintain spotless standards, and speed up service delivery, creating unforgettable first impressions. And it doesn't stop there. Six Sigma reaches every department: banquets, safety, engineering, maintenance, and even spa and wellness, ensuring flawless performance across your hotel. Excellence begins from day one. This course shows you how to apply Six Sigma even during pre-opening to handover stages, building quality into the very foundation of your hotel operations. You'll follow a complete 10-module roadmap to mastery. Defining, measuring, analyzing, and improving hotel processes, with real-world strategies for continuous improvement. This course is for everyone in hospitality. Hotel managers and supervisors who want to lead change, department heads who want to optimize, and aspiring leaders who want to accelerate their careers. Imagine your hotel reimagined. Smooth operations without bottlenecks, delighted guests leaving glowing reviews, reduced costs, and a brand that becomes synonymous with excellence. It's time for excellence. Join Six Sigma Excellence in Hotel Operations and transform your hotel into a benchmark of quality. Deliver experiences your guests will never forget, while maximizing efficiency and profitability. The future of hospitality starts here. Thank you for watching. Want to learn more and get certified? Register now on our LMS portal. https://hegsdc.com. Like, share, comment and subscribe to Hospitality Engineering for more updates.